We used to walk around without cell phones in our pockets or backup cameras, and now our lives seamlessly integrate with them every day. Here are some of the top smart home features that once you get your hands on, you'll be wondering what you did without them. First, a driveway sensor. This will alert anyone at home if a delivery truck is coming down the driveway, or warn you that a friend has arrived. This one is especially helpful if you have a long driveway. Next is a smart oven. Smart ovens can be controlled by your phone, so you can start the preheating process if you pick up a frozen pizza on your way home. Even better, you can check the app to make sure that you turned off all the burners and your oven. Security cameras. They provide peace and comfort to your home, as well as making sure a highly anticipated package was dropped off. Doorbells. Taking a peek at who is ringing your doorbell always makes things easier, whether it's the kid down the street playing Ding Dong Ditch or Amazon dropping off another package. Finally, thermostats. They can drive up your bill with the AC in the summer and heat in the winter. Having these on an app can make sure it is programmed for your needs and your budget. Visit Spikers today and learn more about the top smart home features.